Hello, future student. My name is Anwar Hamzin. As the founder of English House School, I would like to clear the question why we teach English. The first and simple reason, we just want you to watch YouTube in English. I know the majority of people in Kazakhstan consume content in Russian. But let me explain one thing. All that information you used to watch in Russian is usually translated from English. That's why we don't want you to be the third-hand user of internet. People always find 1,000 excuses to say tomorrow when it comes to learning a foreign language. As the person born in countryside, I can say for sure, there is no limit of what you can when you do have your work plan. For example, let's say you study English 5 days a week. Just imagine where you will be in 365 days. You don't have to study English 5, 10, 20 years. If you study properly, you're bad off just a year. Please don't like the idea of speaking fluent English. Love the hard work to end up with a real result. The second reason, we really want you to use all this knowledge in English for your needs. For example, let's say you are an entrepreneur, salesperson, marketing manager, and so on. You can find much better modern solutions for your work or business by using an extra tool. I also believe you would like to travel the world. You must see what people do out of Kazakhstan. The third reason is we would like to change our life in Kazakhstan. We do believe every family must live a happy life without corruption and bootlicker governance. Thank you for your attention. Алға Қазақстан!